Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Today we're in the parish of Portland.
Yeah.
Alright, Jamaican Insider here. Where are we now?
At Monk Bar.
Alright, introduce yourself, sir.
Oh, my name is Randall Francis. I'm the soup man for today
Alright,
and forevermore.
alright. What kind of soup we have today?
We have some seafood soup. We have some wilks in this.
Wilt.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that? That's similar to shrimp or what?
That's similar to conch.
Oh, conch. Okay.
Yeah. And this soup, whenever you drink it, give you a good performance.
Oh, for the gentlemen or for both?
For the gentleman, and it give the woman a lot of stamina.
Oh,
Straighten their body.
okay. Alright then. Remember family entertainment, yeah? We keep it family friendly. Alright. So,
Keep the family alive.
let me see all going on right now. Can you show us like an example of it? Alright.
Yeah. So this is an example.
Okay.
So this is the meat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. An example.
Alright then.
Yeah. So you want both food and meat in a cup?
Yeah man.
You want taste the meat too? Alright, so I give you a lot of peas and meat. I might not give you no dumpling. You want dumpling?
Yeah man, that's fine. Dumpling at least. What ingredients you have in it? What are the ingredients?
So we have some yellow yam, sweet potato, pumpkin, breadfruit, and we got cocoa, we got flour, that's dumpling.
I'm smelling coconut. There's no
Yeah,
coconut?
we got coconut juice inside and we
Okay.
got carrot inside and we have Irish inside.
Alright. So we are right here on the coast of the island. Look how beautiful Portland is. Do you know where I am? Comment in the comment section. Where am I? Let me know. So right now we're at Blue Lagoon.
Yeah, welcome to Blue Lagoon.
Yes.
I'm Bunny.
Bunny,
This is
big
my
up,
gift
Buggy.
shop. Yeah, we have calabash. We have all different items on sale.
Alright. So what the price range like now?
We have, like, for example, the necklaces from 1,500. The small ones here for 1,000.
Right.
Right down to 500.
Right. And I'm
And
sure
we
if you
have
buy
earrings. If you buy more than one, you
can
get a
get a
discount
discount.
also.
Alright. That's fair. That's fair. Alright. So now we're gonna take a boat ride.
Turn your attention to the Monkey Island.
Right now we're passing by the Monkey Island. Here is perfect for scuba diving and snorkeling.
To my far right over there, you got the alligator point.
Okay.
No alligator, just the shape of the rock, it's called the alligator. You know this how it's shaped? It's called the alligator. The land is owned by the Baron Thyssen family from Germany.
Okay. Approaching Sansan Beach now. So yes, my people, we're here at Sansan Beach. Just enjoying the real Portland beauty. Look at it. Really nice, isn't it? Quite a few villas are in this vicinity as well. And to the right, is the Monkey Island. Water here at Sansan Beach is very clear, very nice. It's not cold at all. I thought it would be much colder than this, but it's not cold. All in all, it's a nice beach. The sun, nice and white. Almost goldish though. It's not as white as you would find at 7 Mile Beach in Negril. One thing I like about Portland beaches, they're more cozy. As you can see, the water is not just wide and it's not just a vast area. You know, we have the trees and the sun to the left. So it keeps you close in. It's almost like it's hugging you. And you feel almost homely. That is it, is the secret or the beauty about Portland Beach. Look at this, my people. On this side the water looks green, but if we were to look on this side, it's almost bluish. And over here we have a resort where you can find some of the biggest reggae bands playing, especially at New Year's. So whenever you want to hear live reggae music, this is a great option if ever you're in the area. Be sure to let them know that Jamaican Insider sent you. Alright? I'd really appreciate it. We can also see turtles out here. Of course, it's not always easy or possible as they are very busy themselves. They have things to do, so they're not just going to pop up and smile for the camera. And this is one right here. I really wish I had gotten a chance to see them up close, actually see their faces and so. But I guess maybe another time. And for all the brave folks who are more adventurous, this is the deepest part of the lagoon, 230 feet deep. And according to the captain, Beyonce and Jay-Z, when they were here, Beyonce would hang out right here quite often. This was her favorite spot. Of course, we don't know how true that is. Can't verify it, but we're going to give him the benefit of the doubt. So the Blue Lagoon is actually a mixture of fresh and salt water. And right now we are seeing where the fresh water is mixed with the salt water. The fresh water comes from the Blue Mountains, way up in the mountains. 2 years.
Nice work, you know, the opportunity to meet a lot of people. That's what we like about it also.
Right. So which foreign country most people are from?
We have the Americans and the English and the Canadian.
Okay.
And like we have a lot of Italians also too.
Oh.
Yeah, and German.
Yeah, I think you don't put up a German them up higher. I think you don't call Germany higher. Because them travel enough, you know. Germans, they travel a lot.
Yeah, we main source are the American them.
Okay.
Yeah, Canadian.
Okay. So what's the name of your boat?
This one is the Redeemer.
Redeemer. Okay. Alright. So whenever you're here in Portland, and you'd like to take the tour, definitely check with
Ringo, Captain Ringo.
Captain Ringo.
Yeah, man.
He operates the Redeemer. Very knowledgeable. He knows the era very well. Has been a captain for the past 32 years. 32 years. So he knows his stuff. He can give you a history lesson on the place, and he has an eye to the future as well. So definitely check him. You have a phone number or anything?
Yes, man. 876-893-2450. That's
Alright.
my number. 876-893-2450. You can just give me a shout out.
All right, so that's it for our journey here on the Blue Lagoon. So we're heading back in now. Yes, viewers and subscribers, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please leave us a like if you did and comment in the comment section. And be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you. Also, we have 2 other videos that are coming up. Stick and stay for them.